In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Atherley Gardens. This is located at 43 Creighton Street in the township of Wimmera. This building is a low-rise 8-unit, 55-plus waterfront condo. This is, in my opinion, one of the best buildings in the region. So welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ryan Miggs and I am a local real estate agent. Here in Orillia, I service Orillia and the surrounding areas. If you like this video and you get value from my videos, please hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with any content that I bring out on my channel. I would also love it if you could go over to Instagram and give me a follow. So this building is located in the township of Wimmera, but we are right on the edge of Wimmera and Orillia. This building has 143 feet of shared water frontage on Lake Simcoe, right at the narrows between Lake Simcoe and Lake Couchiching. You have west-facing views with beautiful sunsets. The unit we're looking at today is Unit 104. It is currently on the market for $790,000. Each unit in this building comes with a double detached garage with hydro. The condo fees for this unit are $740 a month, which include your common elements as well as your water and sewer for the building. Property taxes are currently sitting at $3,407. So please enjoy the rest of the tour, and if you have any questions about this building or any other building in the area, I would love to help you with your real estate needs. You can find all of my contact information in the description below.